Inner circle trader, it does not rely on indicators. It is a pure analysis of whale's mindset as to which price or level they would put their position. And sa retail mindset naman, yung mga patterns, mga double bottom, triple bottom, head and shoulders, or mga indicators naman, mga yun, yung MACD, RSI, or stochastic. Ang basis naman nito is parang trade the trend. Most likely, yung mga trend na yun is sinet na ng mga whales ng mga institutions before the big move. So, both of them are effective. Bakit pa ako gumawa ng pinagsamang ganito kung hindi sila effective? Ang key component is proper risk management.